Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock Windows 11 10 without a password. Several workable ways are shared here. Way 1. Unlock a locked PC using a password reset utility, without data loss. Go to the iSunshare official website on an accessible computer. Find iSunshare Windows 10 Password Genius. This software can reset Windows 10 user password without logging in. Then, download and install iSunshare Windows 10 Password Genius on the PC. Now launch the software. Choose device type. The USB device option is selected here. Insert the removable device into the computer. Click the Begin Burning button and confirm the formatting action on the selected device. Minutes later, the bootable disk is burned successfully. Now eject the bootable USB out and plug it into the locked computer. Restart the computer. Then press F12 to enter boot options. Select to boot from USB disk. Now you can see the interface of iSunshare Windows Password Genius. Select your operating system, then choose the locked account. Alright, click the Reset Password button and the Yes button on the prompt. Now the login password is removed. You can click the Reboot button to restart the computer. Remember to disconnect the USB drive before clicking the Yes button. Well, now the computer starts without password required. Way 2. Answer security questions to unlock your locked computer. Enter the wrong password on the login screen. Click the OK button when it tells you the password is incorrect. Now, click the Reset Password option under the password box. Then answer the security questions carefully. After that, click the arrow in the last answer box to submit answers. Alright, now you can set a new password for the Windows login. Finally, you will sign in using the new password as usual. Way 3. Unlock computer without password via factory reset. Reboot your computer and press the Shift key at the same time. Click Troubleshoot option. Click Reset this PC option. Select Remove Everything option. Now choose all drives to continue. Choose Just Remove My Files. Click Reset to continue. Wait for the reset process to be finished. At last, you can get into the Windows without a password. That's all for the video.